This is a journal I made this month, Tempest Garden, and you can find that at April Storm's Paper Studio. So it is a soft cover with the mailer, 2 signature, 3-hole pamphlet sketch, and it's all about the garden. So enjoy as I flip through and show you this beautiful journal filled with those lovely digitals. Lots of room for writing, little things tucked in the pockets. Pretty well every pocket is filled with something. This is a tri-fold. It has a flip that's on both sides. It's filled with a whole bunch of little fairies, garden fairies. The second signature. There's a middle insert there. And another page and a few more tucks in there. So thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.